Hello everybody, I'm Trucker Mike. I'm here to do a unboxing today. I mentioned in one of my other vlogs that I got these new HID conversion kit, and I'm going to do an unboxing on that right now, and then I'm going to install one of them, and then I'm going to do a review on it. So the 3-part video. So yeah, it may take me a little bit to get it done, but let's jump right into it. Alright, hopefully I can get everything in the shot, but this is the kit right here. It's from GTRlighting.com. It's a Xenon high intensity discharge HID conversion kit. One of the main reasons why I got this kit, because it has a lifetime warranty. This is the box it comes in. These are what the bulbs look like. You can see it's got this little tube. It's xenon gas filled. Yeah, so let's see what's on the box here. It's IP67 waterproof, submersible rating, high quality AC digital ballast, which we'll learn about here in a little bit. It's got precise base HID bulbs, fully encased solid state ballast. Nothing on this side. On this side, it just says I got the bulb color. It's a 6000K, which is a diamond white. The socket is H8, H9, or H11. Mine's H11. I got the 55 watts, and they're the Generation 3. So they're the latest edition. And this just says GTR Lighting. Same thing on the front. So let's open this bad boy up. All right. Let's see what we got here. We got the instruction manual, how to install them. We're gonna need that. Nothing there. And we got 3 boxes inside. Now, these 2 boxes here, I'm assuming, are the ballast, because on this box it says the bulbs. So, let's do the bulbs. Alright, this is what the bulbs, they come in. They come in this protective case to protect them. I got the wires, and I got this little grommet, and then the connectors. Now, just feeling these wires, man, they feel really high quality. Really good. Let's pull out the second one here. Okay, here's the second bulb. Okay, so we're going to put these out of the way. Let's get everything out of the boxes. Comes with some, I guess, a bolt to mount it with. And this is the ballast. This is what you use to ignite the gases in the bulb itself. All right, let's open up the other one. Comes with some more mounting bolts, and then there's the second one. All right, let me get this box out of the way here. Alright, so that's the kit right there. That's what it comes with. You get the 2 bulbs, and then you got the 2 ballasts. It's very plug and play, very simple to install. I'm going to read the instructions. I'm going to go ahead and install one of them, make sure I do it okay, and then I'll film doing the other one. So, yeah. But I can tell you, these ballasts are heavy. They're aluminum, metal, not sure what they are, but they feel, I mean, they do not feel cheaply made. I can tell you that right now. Everything looks good. The wires look good. Very high quality. Nice waterproof connectors. Yeah. So let's get into the installation. Alright everybody, we're going to install my HID bulbs on my passenger side. I've already done the driver's side. I want to make sure that I did it right before I shot the video. So let me remind everybody, this is on a 2013 Peterbilt 587. These work on any vehicle, but I'm just going to show you how I'm doing it on my truck, which is a 2013 587. So let's get started. First thing we know you do, gotta take the dust cap off, okay? Because we're gonna have to drill a hole right here. So first, I need to remove my other lights. Now, these are the lights that I had in it, LEDs. I'm gonna keep them as a spare. Now the directions say a 25 millimeter hole, and I didn't have a 25 millimeter. All I had was a 1 inch, which is 25 millimeters, 0.989. So I mean, more or less it's an inch. But I actually found that to be too big. So I'm gonna go next step down. Gonna drill a hole. Just like that. And you'll see why in a minute where we gotta drill the hole. So we got that. We'll place that right here. But first, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna do it out of step here. I'm gonna go ahead and mount my ballast because I found a really good spot to mount it. I'm actually gonna use the mounting bolts for my headlight assembly. I gotta take this bulb off. I'll just put it to the side over there, and I'm gonna take this bolt off. Just like that. And the reason I took this bolt off is because I'm gonna mount the ballast there. It's this thing right here. Instead of me having to drill holes, I'm gonna use this one. just like that. So now that's nice and securely mounted. I didn't have to drill any holes or nothing. Works out great. That's how I did it to the other side. Alright, now here's the bulb itself. Now when I installed the other one over there, I went ahead, directions say you need to wipe the bulbs off with alcohol. Well, I've already done this one. I needed it time to dry. So, and I would advise you guys to wear gloves, but I had already put my gloves on and I've already cleaned it, and so I don't need to touch the bulb anymore. So I'm gonna carefully take it out. I'm not even gonna touch the bulb. I'll take this foamy piece off. I'm going to carefully go ahead and put the bulb in. And then twist it into place. There, that bulb's done. I ain't got to touch it no more. So I'm going to take the factory wiring harness and plug it in to this one. Stick it down in the hole there. Now, this is where that hole comes into place. Stick the wires through there. Connectors. Just like so. I'm going to push that grommet through. Just like that. That hole fits a lot better. The other one was kind of loose. And now it's nice and snug. So, next thing we do is start plugging things up. That goes to that one. That plugs into that one. And that plugs into that one. And that's all she has, that's all, yeah. That's it, that's it. Easiest, it's plug and play. Put all right in there. And now I'm gonna zip tie it up, make it all nice and neat. Wearing a towel because it's humid. Now what I like to do is I like to put zip ties on both ends of the connector. That way I isolate it, it won't move. I'll show you guys a close up here when I'm done. And then Alright. Here she is. It's all plugged up. Nice and neat. Alright, this is what my lights look at night, but the camera doesn't do it any justice because they look totally different from what's on the screen. I mean, they're white and bright. Got that glare going on. Let's see if, I mean it. Yes, I'm at my house. Anyway, I might have to do another way. These suckers are bright and white. So yeah, that's what my lights look like at night. But let me see the pattern here. You can see how it just lights up this whole area. Alright, here's a review portion of my HID lights that I installed. Now, let me just preface that I'm going from LED lights to HID lights. These are the lights that I did have installed. They're from Night Eye. They're the H11 socket. They got a built-in fan. They got the really good lights. Which these are actually my spares. These are the ones that I mainly use. They're from Glowtech. They're actually a little bit brighter than these, but I had to do a warranty claim on these, so that's why I had these in there. So now I have two spares just in case something goes wrong with my HID lights. So big fan of these. But I have to say, I've been running these HID lights on my truck for about a week now, and I love them. I will always have HID lights from GTRlighting.com because they have a lifetime warranty. The quality is good. The light pattern on it, it's a lot better than the LEDs. It goes out further. It just illuminates everything in front of me, especially at nighttime. I see a lot better at nighttime. That being said, that I see a lot better at nighttime, I feel safer because I can see better. And that really is the whole point of me upgrading and justifying the cost. Now, these aren't cheap. These are not cheap lights at all. I paid $254. Let me also preface by, this is not a sponsored video. GTR Lighting did not send me these. I mean, they did send me these, but I paid for them because then they sent them to me. I bought these with my own money because I've been on this search for better lights than halogen lights. That search led me to the LEDs. They work great. Now my search and the journey has led me to the HIDs. They work even better, especially if you have headlights that has the projector lens housing like I have. So, all in all, I give these lights 2 thumbs up. I highly recommend them. I will buy them again if I have to. I should have to because they got a lifetime warranty, but I'm just saying, if I have to buy another pair of these at $254, then I will buy another pair. Now, I'm going to leave links down below to where you can get these lights at. They have different versions of them. They have CAN bus versions. They have the dual. These are the single lens because I have a separate high beam. So they're single lens. So if you have a vehicle that your high beam and low beam are in the same bulb, they have those as well. So make sure when you order these, you know your socket. Like mine's an H11. My high beams are 9005, so they're 2 different sockets. So when you order these, make sure you get the right socket for your vehicle. So other than that, like I said, 2 thumbs up. I highly recommend them. I will always have them on my truck from this point on. But just in case some of them, if one does go out, then I can revert back to my LEDs, so I'll have light until I get the new HIDs in. So that being said, I hope you like this video. I hope you like the review, the install, the unboxing. If you do like it, please leave a like. Comment down below what you think. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do it. It doesn't cost you anything. It's free. And I will see you guys in the next video.